off. Yeah, whatever. Anyways, a little late to the video. Challenge. As many dirt bikes as we can in one day. $1,000 challenge. So far, we're 2 down. All right. So. Say hello.
A video camera.
We'll see you in about like 6-7 minutes. Dale.
Bro.
Yard, you see the message, you got it?
What message?
Check the message now, so you press me.
We didn't get any message.
Press me about.
My dick, bitch.
Okay, you died.
Suck my dick.
6-7.
You died. No message. My brother.
All right, so. This is how we're looking. This is about to be gone. So that's about to get sold. So is that. We're good. We're good. With the Ram. There she is. I'm recording too. You ready? Ready?
Huh?
Oh yeah. Yeah. We didn't get the bike. Now we have a trike and 2 dirt bikes. So now we're gonna have to slam another dirt bike on top of this one. With a trike. Actually 2 dirt bikes. As we're on the way to Jacksonville. With dirt bikes. Dale, Nate. Tailgate. Bye. Bike number 3 acquired.
Huh? For you. I'm in love with the oldest one.
Yo, look how hard it is. Is it miss? I don't think it's missing a plastic on that.
Oh, that's what it is.
That's so hard.
Now comes the big fucker. Now comes the second issue for you.
Now what the fuck do we do? So we got red, blue, and green. We're missing yellow and orange.
That's the hard part. I love the fact that it's old. Look how cool it is that here it has no plastic because of the exhaust, and then on this side it has a plastic.
Yeah. Yeah, tough.
No, but we have.
Give me a bunch of shit.
We have 2004, 2010, and then you're getting a what?
KTM 2013.
2015. So
Oh, yeah.
all the fucking generations.
You're used to the newest thing.
Oof.
Yeah, I'm also paying the most. Yeah, true.
How much?
He doesn't want to trade. $200. He doesn't want to trade.
Yo, but it's a KTM. Maybe.
Oh, well,
You
KTM?
guys are gonna have $1,500
KTM.
in all your bikes.
Yeah, it's true.
And if mine doesn't need anything, then it's kind of same shit.
All right, we went over the budget
For
a
sure
little
gonna have
bit.
way more
I
money
This
didn't
guy
even
had
run
to
my
go
parts.
over the budget. Oh, camera's dirty. This guy went over the budget.
This nigga's hard, by the way. This is awesome.
Damn. Damn.
Brand new.
Hella PVCs that we don't need. Green demon.
We all have the same shirt there.
Green demon.
Tusk also? Shut up.
Damn, so I gotta get a new one though. I gotta get a new one.
Here's another stuff.
Oof.
Vamos a organizar aquí porque Alex doesn't know how to organize shit. Come here.
Alex, can you hold this? We don't have any more straps, right?
I don't think so.
Oh yeah, there's enough to wear.
Boy. Damn.
Is it empty or? Should I go nowhere anyway?
This ain't going nowhere.
Where's the other side of the strap? Oh no, that strap is being used there. One.
Yeah. You're the last one?
Whose truck is it?
Mine.
Oh, I guess you make the rules then.
We're still missing a bike.
So where do you go?
Where'd you go?
So are these for you guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little pit bike.
We're missing
We're
yellow.
gonna plan on Monday and then Saturday.
Yeah, but we're pretty short. We can't get no 125.
And many years ago, about 1959, well, it was indeed in 1959, a dear old friend with whom I had been associated owned a record company, which was Riverside, sent me a demonstration record of an album he was about to release. And it was a guitarist then quite unknown. It was Wes Montgomery.
Hey, no me ven. No me ven. Haciéndome no necesita ir, ya. Déjame hacer un update al video. So, me parezco como una vieja loca. Comimos un McDonald's que estaba hecho pinta. Todos los McDonald's estaban ahí. Sí. Y ahora este está protestando el negro sin cabeza. Because I sound weird. I don't give a fuck. So, it's 9 on the dot. We're on the way to pick up this bike. 10 minutes away, 15 minutes away. I'm ready to go home. But we got fucking bikes. You can't see them.
On the ball.
We're there. Last and fourth bike acquired. Now we're missing yellow. We're still missing yellow, but we got orange. It starts up like good compression? Good
No.
compression? No good compression?
A little bit low.
Sick.
Whatever. The mic is a little low compression.
Guess where it's going?
You get the same thing with low compression.
I wonder where it's
It
going.
looks so much bigger. It looks so much bigger for no reason.
I
It
know.
doesn't look big.
No, it doesn't look big.
It doesn't-
I love how KTM is way narrower. The bike is like this. So nice.
I need to bring this shot.
Look at the Gucci with me.
Is he?
A dump.
Yo!
You just stiffen the shock. You know, wait. Let me put my weight slowly. Yo.
Damn. Bottom me the fuck out.
For sure. Dumpy Robbie. Shit crazy.
So, quick side note. The only ones that have turned on is the YZ and the KT. That's it. We said we didn't ask. We didn't ask. What do you think? We didn't ask any questions.
I'm not ready, right? I know myself.
You got kicked, man?
Bro?
Yeah.
I got reads.
You got kicked.
That's a 13 hitter.
Daddy.
Alright, so last bike is in.
Whoa.
KTM.
Thinks it's a BMW.
Oh yeah.
It knows it's going home with me.
There's a trike somewhere in there. A drift trike. YZ, Honda, KTM. We're missing a Suzuki. Maybe a Husqvarna, but whatever. Pretty sick, pretty sick. Whoa. Day 2 of getting dirt bike started. Clutch was stuck. Stator was fucked. Maybe a CDI too, but now fuck it. We're getting a little bit of backfire. Not bad. Round 2. New gas. Got it on.
Flora, manilla.
girando para atrás?
Está girando al revés. El motor está girando al revés. Por eso la transmisión está al revés.
¿Cómo al revés? ¿Por qué la transmisión está al revés?
Porque estoy chutando el clutch y estoy caminando para atrás.
Pues, ¿y eso cómo va a ser?
Entonces cuando le dejas la pata, está virando al revés el motor. Estamos arrancando al revés, por eso que el tiempo está a 180. Ahí está al revés.
Un poquito complicado esto.
Y
entonces?
acabé de soltar el clutch y me iba para atrás.
¿Y cómo es eso?
No sé qué le da reversa, ¿tú tienes reversa?
¿Lo sepa? ¿O tiene
Posible.
reversa?
Posible. La transmisión está al revés, haga con revés.
Arranca, él arranca con la pata entonces.
¿Eh?
Arráncalo con la pata.
No.
Venga, arranca con la pata. ¿Cómo el coche puesto?
La transmisión está al revés. Dale.
¿Pero qué es eso? ¿Cómo va el tiempo al revés?
Seguro que la transmisión está al revés. Nunca había visto eso, solté el clutch y me estaba moviendo atrás.
No, arráncalo con el coche puesto, ¿vale? Vamos a ver. First cake. Latina. It needs a lot of work. New clutch basket, new crank. LG. These two are next. I know, they all don't sound right.
They all sound horrible.
They all sound like shit. Spider-Man?
They sound so different.